In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off a professional account on Instagram. Maybe you switched to a professional or business account to try out insights and extra tools, and now you just want to go back to a simple personal profile. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to tap, what to look for, and what to expect when you switch back. First, open Instagram and make sure you're logged into the account you want to change. From there, go to your main home dashboard. This is the screen with your feed, where you see posts from people you follow. We're starting here because all the settings we need are accessed from this main view. On the left-hand side, look for the menu and click on More. This opens up an extended menu with several options related to your profile, saved content, and configuration. If you don't immediately see More, try expanding the sidebar or making your window a bit wider on desktop. On mobile, it may appear as a menu icon, depending on your layout. Next, in that menu, click on Settings. This is where Instagram keeps all of your account controls, including privacy, notifications, and professional tools. It might take a second to load, but once it opens, you'll see different categories you can manage. Inside Settings, look for an option called Business Tools and Controls, and click on it. This section only appears because your account is currently set up as a professional account. It's where Instagram groups together all the extra features meant for creators and businesses, such as promotions or branded content options. Now that you're in the Business Tools and Controls area, find and click on Switch to Personal Account. This is the key action that starts the process of turning off your professional account. Before you do this, keep in mind that switching to a personal account may remove access to certain analytics and business-only features. So just be sure you're ready to make that change. After you click it, Instagram will ask you to confirm. You'll see a prompt that includes Switch to Personal Account again. Go ahead and click on Switch to Personal Account to confirm your choice. Once you do this, Instagram will process the change and your account will be converted back to a personal profile. That's it. You've successfully turned off your professional account on Instagram and switched back to a personal one.